Let's explore this street, Aini Street, see what it's all about. It's really the new Tajik structure on display on this street. You can see the new Tajik structure and new architect. One of these things, some of them they try to have the domes up on top, much like some of the old ancient buildings, maybe for lookouts, but most of them are still like just caged areas, maybe for an antenna. I have no idea why that's not enclosed. There's a few of them that look like that. But you can see on some of the structure outside, they attempted to do a more of a Tajik style. We have the squares and the circles, and over here you can see a little better. You can see the little squares there. These styles are distinctly more Tajik, maybe from Bukhara, Samarkand, or maybe Holbuk, possibly Persepolis. But very distinct with geometric shapes, but not necessarily any Islamic shapes. So they kind of run down like runners down each side of the building, and so it's nice to see that they're trying to incorporate something. Interesting thing also is on these buildings, this is the main street. Everything has been high rises. Now they're starting the second level, but we'll get to see that in a bit. Behind here also on the street here you can see the children's place. It's a government children's center, and it looks very much interesting style with the different things they have. Unique style in the front of it. I'll show you a picture of the front of it. I didn't take video of the front of it, but it's very interesting. If we go behind these buildings, you can see that the second layer of construction, I think. Yeah, you'll see it here on the left. And a lot of construction. It's kind of the first block was cleared out, made. Now they're doing the second blocks. In some locations, actually, they're doing the 3 blocks. So, even noticing there, you see a playground right in the middle of these 2 big buildings that we just saw. So that's good. They're trying to incorporate more of a community feel at times for whoever lives in these buildings. Even you can see these designs on the bus stops. They have the different designs up there. Trying to make it a little bit more authentic as people hop on the bus, get on there. See above there too. The outsides of the buildings are like grand entryways. Reality is the first 2 floors encompass this grand entryway, at least on the, looks like the opening. A lot of these places are more modern places, and if you want a more traditional tea house or ashkhane they call it, you have to kind of go more in the back streets to see those things. So here's some other windows you can see. I'm going to do a close-up of the style, the Tajik style, the new Tajik style on these buildings. So a lot of geometric shapes, but distinctly not Islamic shapes, but definitely Persian. And so it's the new Tajikistan. Some of us may lament the old being lost, but this is the new being built. We notice down the street Aini, you look through and you can see all these buildings that are Tajik very distinctly, but there's one building that's distinctively not Tajik, and that's the Hilton sitting right there. I don't know if it was built before this time period, but they didn't get the memo. But this should have some more Tajik style on that building. I also mentioned they're kind of, this is the Aini Street, and this is the first block. You can see the second block being formed there, third block. So they're moving beyond these buildings. There'll be layers and layers of buildings going towards this way, going towards the north here from the street, I'm sure. So it seems like it's going to be the situation. Next to this supermarket, also we see you got some more, looks like a Russian, green salads, English. Mazali, it looks like Italian maybe. Aladdin, more Persian, actually more Arabic. And Nova Pizza again, like Italy it says. And then we have the super fried chicken. And so it's just very international, more of a mix in some of the flavors in the restaurants they have here. I mentioned in the back, behind these buildings, there's parks. Looks like a play area. I don't know if it's more of a sitting area. Let's go look at it. Yeah, we have here more of a playground. area, swings, some swings that sit out here. Looks like a park. Yeah, it's like a little soccer field inside there. So very Persian to have like a courtyard between buildings, even though it's massive buildings. Again, the second layers, third layers, they also, of the buildings, they also have distinctly Tajik, the new structure on the outside of the buildings. Pretty consistent. How the architecture must all be the same. And the windows here, even on the side, the grand entryways. Life here is the same as it used to be. People get up early in the morning, actually 3 or 4 or 5. People are sweeping the streets. You can see the second layer of the construction. These buildings are 15 to 20 stories high. Also nice, a lot of coffee shops. Here's one, there's Coffee Moose. Good place to come right off the beaten path. But up here you can see the third layer and like the third block. They just keep building these high constructions and demolishing all the traditional housing that used to be here at one point. But even in the third layer, there's these very distinct, again, very Tajik structure buildings. When they redo these buildings on this side, eventually, if they get to the third layer, these buildings will all be destroyed and taken up. And so, if you lived here as a resident, you'd be worried. My house is going to be taken. I'd have to change. So they give you a new apartment way up above. The latest trend here in Dushanbe is that they're tearing down all the yards and houses, like the one we're in currently. Will probably be destroyed, and these over here will probably be destroyed. But they're putting up all these other ones, and they're just making these high rises, high rises, high rises. In some ways, talking to a Tajik the other day, it seems like a loss of their culture, where you have a house like here and you have a center courtyard to share and hang out in. But a lot of the city down there towards the center of the town, you can see a lot of that. So this is becoming the new Tajikistan. It's a land of building high rises.